Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy PEPE Coin on Phantom Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Phantom Wallet app on your mobile device and ensure you are on the home screen. From here, tap the Buy option in the top right corner. When you click on this, you'll notice that there is no direct option to buy PEPE. To get PEPE on the app, you need to buy Ethereum first. Select Ethereum and choose how much you want to purchase, such as $10 or any other amount. Once you've acquired the Ethereum, tap the search bar and type in PEPE. The PEPE coin will appear and you can select it. If you don't see it immediately, just tap on Show More to reveal the option. Next, click on PEPE, then select the Swap option. Enter the amount of Ethereum you own, for example 0.1 Ethereum, and it will show you how much PEPE you will receive, approximately 1 million PEPE. After that, tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. If you have enough funds, you can click the Buy Now option to complete the transaction and acquire PEPE. So that's basically how you can buy PEPE coin on Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.